good, guys? Robin here from M-Tech. Today we have a 2022 M8 competition getting a full Akrapovic exhaust. This video should be a banger, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you stay tuned to the end to hear how it sounds. This car is getting one bonus goodie, a nice Terrace steering wheel to replace the factory leather. So let's go ahead and check that out and see what he went with. Matching the M Performance theme, he went with the blue and red stitching. It's a nice fit. He also has the 50th anniversary center caps and BMW symbols on the front and the back of the car. So definitely match nice with the car and all the aesthetics. All right, guys, so we went ahead and got all the bolts and everything unbuttoned on the exhaust. There's just two clamps that hold up the front pipes right here, and there's just a whole full exhaust from the resonated X pipe, they call it. And then you have two, yeah, and it's held up by two hangers right here and right here. And then you could just simply drop it down from there. And it's really pretty much a simple install. It's just a whole bunch of under panel bolts, like about 50 plus, to be honest. It's crazy. But so now we're gonna get ready to drop the exhaust and start lining up the Akrapovic exhaust. All right, guys, now that we got all the hangers off of the old exhaust, now we're gonna line up and make sure we match up all our pieces before we go ahead and fully install it. As you can see, I kind of got ahead of myself and went ahead and put up the right side pipe. It actually fits really nice. Expecting Akrapovic, everything here should fit nice and flush, knowing their quality. All right, guys, so now that we have all the pipes lined up and all the clamps on, I didn't quite tighten them yet because I wanted to make sure the exhaust tips fit perfect, because as you can see, I have everything loosened, but this side is a little bit, this side is where I would ideally want it to sit, while this side pokes out a little bit more. So now I'm gonna play around with the pipes and try to get that little 1/4 of an inch in so we can have that nice perfect fitment. All right, guys, we have everything buttoned up now for the M8. We have the exhaust flaps plugged in with the wire extenders to make sure that the harness reaches where it needs to be, because of course with the aftermarket exhaust it did relocate where the connector is facing. So the kit does come with the extender, so we made sure that's all connected, nice and buttoned up and hidden. And now we're gonna start it up and see how she sounds. So we're replacing the factory gloss black canards with a carbon fiber OEM replacement from BMW. So everything should fit up nice and easy like OEM Plus. So a couple things that we got for this car that wasn't able to make it in this video was we also got the carbon grille that hasn't come in yet from BMW themselves, but we also were able to get the canards all put in and everything. Car still looks dope and nice. Can't wait for those extra carbon pieces to come in. That diffuser and the front grille will definitely tie everything together.
This thing moves. And I gotta find my phone. I have no idea where they went.
Yeah, you definitely gotta find it. BMW tend to steal items from your pocket all the time. That's just a BMW thing.
This thing sounds great.
Yeah, back to what I was saying, like even with when you're shifting, it just sounds much more toned and deeper. It really sounds really nice. I'm using really a lot. But yeah, the exhaust is definitely dope. Like Akrapovic, 10 out of 10 for sure. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We definitely got more content coming in. Maybe Sean will show you a sneak peek what he's posting next. You know, we got a little slime green thing over there. But make sure you're subscribed and tuned into the channel to make sure when that video drops, you could catch it first.